Most of my life, I'm sort of another.
Burning your ticket for that long flight train. Call it victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. To the Father and His holy name. And don't go riding on that long flight train. There's an engineer on that long black train, making you wonder if a ride is worth the pain. He's just waiting on your heart to say, let me ride on that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord.
Record the speed at every mile marker. So if anybody questions us, we pull out the tape and show them, you know, we didn't exceed the speed limit.
How fast is the train on the road?
The rails that we will run on, as far as we know, will be the north-south rails. They are limited to 79 miles an hour. Now, east-west, there's so much traffic out there. Santa Fe has told us for the time being, forget about it. You ain't going.
What do you guys have left to do?
Oh, probably about 20 or 30,000 more hours.
Oh, really?
Man hours.
Really? Okay.
No, we're not far off.
You still got to put the pistons in, don't you? Or did you already do that?
Pistons go on the bottom. The main steam valve goes above it. It's already in, and then above that is the drifting valve. The drifting valves will go in next. When that gets done, we will put in the 3 relief valves. We had to have them rebuilt a second time because they were pressure relieving at too low a pressure.
Right, I remember that.
So we get that put in, then we'll fire it up one more time and test. And if they work as they're supposed to, we'll get the boiler certified. At that point, we'll put the pistons in and probably start chugging back and forth here on our little section of track. That goes well. We we've got to have the track on the other side of 8th Street rebuilt.
Right.
We've already set the money aside for it.
Oh, you already have the money for it.
Well, we got to set aside, yeah.
Okay.
So we got about 75 yards or so of track that will not support its weight. So we got to get that taken care of.
When are you guys going to do that?
Sure.
When are you guys going to do that?
I think they started this past week.
Oh, they already started on it.
Prep work to do it on that.
Good. Good deal.
That gets done, then we'll move the locomotive out. We've got a work car that's up in Ohio that's been donated to us, and we have been spending a lot of money on.
You want to
That's
see a
where all our
big
tools,
pool?
air compressor, and all that stuff go. Generator. We'll bring it down, and we've also got the Acoma business car that belongs to Bond Paint. So the Acoma and the business car will be
I
parked
wonder
up
if your
here.
dad could lift it.
Then we'll bring the locomotive back in,
Let's see if
and
Dad
at some
can
point
lift
we'll start chugging around town on all of the sidings. There must be
Wow, that
100
is
miles of
great,
sidings
Dad.
in Albuquerque.
I bet, yeah.
So we'll do more testing there.
What do you think they use that for?
Northern Santa Fe is happy with us, then we'll probably get out on the north-south line, run there some. We got a plan. We're just working along slow. And
So, is part of your plan, I assume, running excursions up to probably Vegas, Lamy, something like that?
You know what we do with
Whose
this?
cars are you going to be pulling?
This is where we take
There is an
the planks out of the
organization
rail,
called-
hold the rail down,
if I can get this right,
and if we lift them up like
American Organization
Wanna try it?
of Privately Owned Rail Cars. I think that's it. That's
APRCO, yeah. American Association of Private Rail Car Owners,
Yes.
yeah.
They were in town 2 weeks ago. They had 7 of their cars here, and every time they come to town, they
that
come
arm.
down to check on our
Sign 'em up.
progress.
I was actually here that day.
Were you?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yep.
So yeah, they want us to chug them around town also, and you know, the further we can go, the more they'd like it. We'll see.
So, do you think that you guys might be storing this locomotive at the rail yards at some point? Because I heard Tim Keller talk about maybe setting that up for you guys and also for APRCO.
If we ever park it down at the back
It's way
shop,
bigger than you.
it'll be temporary, and it'll be guarded because there's no security.
You're not even big
The
enough.
homeless people and the graffiti.
Yeah, it's
We've had graffiti in it twice.
Yeah, oh really?
Not in the last 5 years. But if it's not going to be guarded, it's going to be locked up inside our engine house.
Well, that seems like something they'd have to set up, doesn't it?
Yeah. You know, the city keeps talking in the Wheels Museum. They keep talking about restoring things down there.
Yay.
They don't have any money. I
Yeah.
don't think it'll ever happen.
It's been going on for 20 years now.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, they seem real disorganized and they don't know what they want to do with it.
Get a nut off.
That's my feeling about it.
That and lack of money.
Yeah. Well, and I guess it's going to cost $80 million just to clean the site up.
All right.
Where's
Yeah.
that going to come from?
Yeah, we spent $3.5
Brake
million.
shoes.
Did you really?
Yep.
Wow. You guys have done a beautiful job, I gotta say. It's great.
It's been a labor of love. It's a lot of fun.
That's electricity. You don't
You
touch
get to see it
that.
run, even if it's up and down your own track.
I wish we owned some track, but we don't. We have a, I think it's a 99-year lease on this, like 150 yards. And we,
That'd be a really good ally for you guys.
yeah. Well, we get it running. I mean, it's going to be just a huge tourist draw.
Exactly. I mean, it's going to be good for the economy.
Yeah, I mean, look what Union Pacific has done with their locomotives.
Exactly,
So,
yeah.
yeah, we're anxious to get this thing out and let people look at it. We gotta finish our installation. Got to get our new jacketing on.
The other end.
Put some fresh paint on all of our fresh scratches that we put up there, and maybe slap a coat of polish on it. We'd like to have it looking really good when we get out there.
Yeah, well,
Chugging around town with it.
that's going to be some kind of a real good publicity thing for you guys.
Yes. Just because it's running, that's just kind of the beginning of it. These things require a huge amount of maintenance.
Do you guys think you're going to keep it, or do you think you guys might actually ever sell it to an excursion company or something like that?
I doubt that anybody is even considering that. It's ours. So, ours and the people of New Mexico.
Yeah.
They're the ones who support it. We do have a couple of donors over in Texas that have chunked in big money from time to time, but it belongs to the public. We're just kind of carekeepers.
Well, that's the way it should be.
Yes.
I'm just thinking restoring it and operating it are kind of two different things.
Yes, it is. We won't operate. We don't have, none of our guys have a license. When it crosses 8th Street, there'll be a Burlington Northern engineer, fireman, and conductor at the controls.
Do you guys got a grant for PTC? Have you guys put that in yet?
All that information is available, but I don't know where it is.
You don't know the status
I swing
of
a
that?
wrench. I
Yeah,
don't know about the
okay.
rest of it.
You do the good stuff,
Yeah.
the important stuff.
You know what you're leaning on here?
Some of this pipe.
The flue tube.
Flue tubes? Oh, and inside the boiler.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is the superheater tube, and here's the end of it. So these two would be joined together and then slid inside here, and everything on the outside here is exposed to about 2,100 degrees of heat. That's how we go from 420 degrees to about 740 degrees.
Wow. That's a lot of heat and a lot of pressure.
Yes.
You run it about 300 PSI?
We'll run, our first pop-off valve is set to blow, relief valve is set to blow at 290, the second one at 292, the third one at 294. So yes, we will operate it. It was originally operating at 300. When we replaced all of the flue tubes, the people, they weren't our people, that gave us the thickness and the specification on the metal gave us the wrong specifications.
Oh, yeah?
So we had flue tubes built that have to operate at 290 or less. That's not going to hurt us any.
No. Especially if you're going up north.
That's right.
Yeah.
This is the second largest design ever made. Big
I was here within the end of the year sometime. I'm not sure when. I mean, there's a couple of parts.